In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your job seeking preferences on LinkedIn. Whether you're actively looking for a new opportunity or just curious about what's out there, adjusting your preferences on LinkedIn can tailor your job search and help potential employers find you more easily. So let's get started on this simple but effective task. First, you'll want to open up your browser and head over to LinkedIn's website. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to sign in. You have a couple of options here. You can log in with your Google account, your Microsoft account, or simply by using your email address and password. Choose the method that's most convenient for you. If you're using a shared or public computer, consider skipping the option to stay signed in for your privacy. Now, if you have two-factor authentication enabled for additional security, you might be prompted to verify your account. LinkedIn will send a code to your registered phone number, so make sure you have your phone handy to complete this step. It's a quick step, but essential for keeping your account secure. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to your profile by clicking on your icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is your one-stop spot for managing everything related to your LinkedIn account's privacy and customization. Next, navigate to the Data Privacy section. Here, LinkedIn lets you manage everything from how your data is used to who can see what on your profile. What we're interested in today is under the Job Seeking Preferences area, so go ahead and click on that. Inside the Job Seeking Preferences section, you have the opportunity to really customize your job search experience. You'll find a range of options to tailor your preferences, such as job application settings, which allow you to control how your profile is shared when you apply for jobs. You can also adjust commute preferences if staying close to home is vital for you. Take your time here to explore what suits your career ambitions best. As you adjust these settings, you're making it easier for LinkedIn to surface the most relevant opportunities and for recruiters to find you based on your preferences. This ensures that your job search is not only efficient but also aligned with your career goals. Once you're satisfied with your settings, make sure everything is saved before you exit. And that's it. Now you've successfully tailored your LinkedIn settings to reflect what you're looking for in your next job opportunity. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Don't forget to check back regularly as you refine your job search and career aspirations. Thanks for watching and best of luck in your job search endeavors.